Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Bruce, and today we will be finally doing another unboxing video after a long break. Yeah, so it's good that I now have the opportunity to do unboxing videos again. So for this unboxing video, what we will be unboxing is this figure right here. So it's the DC Multiverse Batman figure. Produced by Mcfarlane toys. So as you can see, it's an articulate figure with 22 moving parts. So I actually have another pre-ordered figure of another one of this in pre-order, but it hasn't arrived yet. But fortunately, I was able to find one in a local online store. So I went ahead and ordered, and I was actually thinking of getting 4 of these so that I can have like a Hellbat suit squad or army or something. Yeah, but I think it would look cool if there's like Bruce Wayne has 4 Hellbat suits behind him. Anyway, so here's the side of the box. So it's Batman Hellbat suit, Mcfarlane logo, DC Multiverse on top. And then you have the very nice back box art here. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but it says here Hellbat armor. Then you have like this amazing art piece here, and I believe it's the same art that it's the same art that you will be getting in the card, because it says here that each figure comes with collectible trading card. So I think this is like the one that you will be getting. But I think if you're not really concerned about the box, you can also cut this out and have it laminated or something. And then on the bottom right here, you'd see that there are other figures that you can collect. Let me see if I can get that focused. I don't think so. Hold on. Yeah, it doesn't focus for some reason. But anyway, it's yeah, and it's actually too small to read. I just figured. So you got this Batman here, Green Lantern, Harley Quinn, Batman the Animated Series, and Arrow from CW. I believe. I haven't really seen the series, but I know that this is he's quite popular. And then you have the Mcfarlane Toys text here, the copyright blurb, and DC logos and everything. And on the side, so you get a window, another window to see the figure, and then the Batman name. And then the bottom, some blurb for the rights, and then the barcode thingy, and then says made in China. Yeah, and then the sticker. So let's go ahead and open this figure. So I'll open it from the bottom. So from the bottom, you only have like one circle-ish tape to hold it in. I'm not sure what it's called, but from the top you have like different it's taped on different 3 different sides. Keep it secure. But I'll open it from the bottom. There you go. So I didn't really want to peel the tape because sometimes it holds really strong. Hold on, I'll probably need to do this off camera because it's kind of hard. There you go. So finally got that open. And it's inside another box cover. This is actually, as you can see, this is the first time that I've opened the box. So I'll put this on the side. And this is the figure right out of the box. And it has another like box case around it. And strapped around with plastic. You see, probably, yeah, I can remove this. And then there's your wings for the figure. So you can just take it off like that. Yeah. And you also get to have a stand for the figure, but I think he can stand on his own because he's actually has some weight, or it's pretty heavy, so I think he can stand on his own. Doesn't really need the stand. But in order for you to get the stand and the card, you need to remove this plastic cover from it, and that means you need to kinda ruin the box art behind it. Yeah, because it's glued to the box. This plastic cover right here, so it can't easily be removed. But who knows, you might be able to figure out a way to remove it cleanly. So might be tricky to remove this without cutting the this plastic should I say wire? This plastic thingy that holds the figure. I think I can remove it without cutting it, but it will take some time, so I'll probably just cut it for you guys so that I don't waste any more of your precious time. So there, you got Batman released. And let's remove the figure. I don't, as much as possible, I don't want to ruin the plastic case. So there you go. And here's Batman, or the Hellbat armor. Finally, so let's see if I can make him stand. Right, so yep, he definitely can stand on his own, and he actually looks really cool once you remove him out of the box. Now I've seen some factory defects, or like some versions of the same figure with factory defects, like the eyes are not fully painted, but in this case I think it's really like well painted. And so this Batman logo on his chest is actually a separate piece, so I think it's glued in there. It's not molded together with the chest armor, because I can see that there's like a gap at the bottom here, so you probably need to be careful with this part right here. You're not like, I don't know, might fall off when you're like playing with the figure, but I think it can be glued back easily. So for the articulation, so for the head, I think you can just move it side to side, but it's doesn't have that much flexibility to it. As you can see, it moves back to its original position when I try to move it. And so yeah, and the shoulder armor, it's each part of the armor is of a different shade of black, if that's the correct term, because this is like kind of a lighter black. This is like matte black. This is like shiny black or deep black, and this is a different type of black in the arms. So I guess for the head, you can't really move it that much, but I think that's okay considering how the figure is. For the arms, you can move it up like this one. You have a swivel here, so yeah, you can move it like that. I think it has like a bicep swivel. Yeah, it does. So there's a separate articulation here in the bicep part, and then for the arms, it's single jointed, and it clicks when you move it, similar to Revoltech Tech figures. So yeah, And then for the arms, you have a swivel in the arms. And then, I'm not sure. It looks like you can't. There's a hinge here where you can move it down. Ah, yeah, you can. You do. You can move it like that. And then, for the chest area, it seems like it has like a joint in the bicep area, like in the middle area, but I can't really move it that much unless I force it to, which I don't want to do because I might break the figure. But you can crunch it that much, and then from the back, and just like do it that much. And then for the leg articulation is actually kinda loose. Well, not really. I mean, I don't mean it's super loose, but it's much easier to move compared to the arm joint. Sorry, but this one, I forgot to mention, this one is easy to move as well. So you probably need to be careful with it because it might be loose someday or as you play with the figure. And then for the knees, you have double joint here, which is really tight, which is nice. And then for the feet, have also a joint here, so you can move it up and down, and then a little bit of side to side movement. Yeah, so you can move it like that. So there. So let me make it stand here. And for the wings, or I'll move this way. I'll probably put Batman here first. Okay, so for the wings, you can fold it like this. So you can also place it like this. Now I've seen other and sorry, I'll skip that point for now. So on the back, you see that there's like a section where you can peg the wings in, and this is like this has like a sharp shape to it. I'm not sure. It's a hexagonal shape, if that's the right term. So when you put it, it's gonna be fixed, so you can't really move it up and down unless you remove it and put it back again. This is not really totally circle. Yeah, so you can see I can't move it up and down. It's fixed. So in order to change the angle of the wings, you have to remove it and put it back. The same goes with this one. Alright, so there we go. We got the awesome back wings placed. Yeah, looks really nice. So so the left leg is more angled compared to the other ones, because it's probably because I haven't figured out the angle of the feet yet. So I think this is more angled compared to the other one. That's why the leg needs to be like this in order for him to stand. I guess that works. Yeah. So yeah, overall this figure, sorry, I have my camera angle, so I'll probably do better next time. But for the size of the figure, so it stands. I forgot to remove the price of the ruler for the meter stick. I got this from National Bookstore for 29 pesos, which is really cheap. Sorry, I'm taking my time on removing the price from the meter stick. So he stands at around 8, no, it's like 7.5, a little bit above 7.5 inches. So he would be taller compared to your SH Figuarts figures and your other 6-inch figures. But fortunately, I have one. Let me see. Oh, I actually have this guy right here for comparison. So here he is compared to Kamen Rider, Drive, Life Wild. So I'll probably have to move. Sorry, let me just re-angle mine so that you can appreciate it more. My camera. Hold on, I'll just pause the video. There you go, that's better. So this is the Hellbat suit compared to the SH Figuart Kamen Rider type drive. Not sure if I have another one for comparison, but maybe this guy would work. Here he is compared to Batman v Superman, or Zack Snyder's Batman, or better yet, it's the first Batman Ben Affleck version. So I've actually modified this figure because he's a bit short, because like his chest area was a bit short, so I added, or I modified it so he'd be taller, just a little bit taller. So there he is. So as you can see, this figure really scales really well with 6-inch figures. So especially when you have like probably a set of 4, like I mentioned earlier in the video. But anyway, I think I checked the box. There's no other accessories in, so I haven't missed anything. So I guess that's it. Hope you guys find this video informative. If you want to see more unboxing videos, as I will produce more unboxing videos, please do subscribe to my channel. And you guys always keep safe and have a great day. Bye.